Okay, so this is now our wages journal completed. I only needed to total the contributions, but now we are going to post it over to our general ledger. Now I'm going to start with the gross wage. Remember, this is before any deductions, and this is my expense. So in my nominal sheet section, expenses will always increase on the debit side. We are not going to write all the accounts that's going to be credited, so what are we going to put there? Sundry accounts. Sundry accounts. This information is from my wages journal, and the total I've got for my gross wages is 5,158. This is now my debit. Now I'm going to do my credit. Remember now, wages is going to be my contra account for everything. So, creditors for wages is going to have wages because it's my contra account. Wages journal. What is my, remember this is my net. This is my net wages. My net wages is a total of 4,054 rand and 42 cents. 54 rand and 42 cents. Then we have our pay as you earn, 422. Contra account wages. Wages journal, 422. We've got our medical aid, 430. Contra account wages. Wages journal, 430. We've got our pension fund, 200. So wages contra account, wages journal, and my pension funds total is 200 rand. UIF, wages journal, and if you did this activity with me, you will know that my UIF is 51 rand 58 cents. Okay, so this is completing now the employees part. Now we have to fill in or post the contributions as well. Remember now the contributions are all expenses. So all of these will be in my nominal section as well. So on my debit side, what is the name of my contra account now? It's just going to be medical aid. This is from my wages journal, and the amount for medical aid is 430 rand. Now in my medical aid account, I will put medical aid contribution because that's the contra account. Wages journal, 430. I'm moving on to my pension fund contribution. My contra account is going to be pension fund. I got my information from my wages journal. Pension fund was 400 rand. UIF. We'll go to my UIF. We know that's 51 rand 58 cents. Remember now, this is UIF contributions, my contra account. I forgot to do my pension fund, and you're not in class to tell me now. Let me quickly fill in my pension fund. This is going to be pension fund contribution. And the total for that was 400 rand. Okay, The last one we have to post is my skills levy, and this is going to my skills development levy fund. Wages journal, and we know this is also £51.58. And in my skills development levy, I will have skills levy from my wages journal, £51.58. So now we must pay my wages. If you read your information, you will see or read that payments in respect of deductions are made electronically on the last day of the month. So all my other deductions I'm only going to pay at the end of the month. So I'm going to have 4 entries for pay as you earn, then I'm only going to pay. I will have 8 entries for medical aid, then only I'm going to pay. 8 for pension fund, then I'm going to pay, because we have to do each week's and only pay at the end of the month. So when I pay, it's going to be on the 31st of October, and it's going to be bank CPJ, but it will be 4 times that amount. All we have to pay now for the 7th is wages are paid direct electronically into the bank accounts of the employees. If it's paid with a check, you can write in your details cash, but this is now an electronic payment. So my document is going to be my balance bank statement. The day is going to be the 7th. And now remember, we can't just write all the names. We're going to write one entry. So it's going to be sundry employees. And we're paying them the net salary. Remember, this is the net salary of £4,054.42. This is the amount for what was this? Creditors for wages. £4,054.42. Let's quickly post this to our ledger account. So on 20.8 October the 7th, bank CPJ, and we're paying £4,054.42. Okay, have fun doing all your homework, and see you with the next topic.